This tutorial video is going to show you how to use the Canvas to Skyward Grade Sync feature. If you've not used it before, I promise that it is a lifesaver, a time saver. It gets rid of your headaches. Well, not all of them, but anything related to grading, it really does help. And the district has actually implemented some changes this semester to make it even easier for you. So last semester, in order to transport your grades from Canvas into Skyward, you had to create these different categories yourself. But this semester, they already put them into your course for you. So anything that you want to sync into Skyward from Canvas needs to be in one of these three categories. You have Min, which is your minor grades that equal 60% of your total grade. That's the district policy, and this is already in Canvas for you now. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll see major and exam. These have nothing in there because I have not assigned anything yet. I only have daily work so far, but you will see if I scroll down further, I have other categories that are not going in the gradebook. So I've put them off in a different section that won't be graded so that it doesn't get confusing when I use the gradebook to put grades in and to transfer grades from Canvas to Skyward. So if you pay attention to your categories here, you want to make sure everything in the Min, Mage, and Exam are green on this little Sync to Skyward toggle. So if I turned that off, this 2.2 assignment is not going to go to Skyward ever, even if I click the button and try to force it. So I want to make sure that they are all green, and I want to make sure that these are all black. It shouldn't let you do them anyway because there is no category for these in Skyward that it will sync with, and I have 0% of my total here. But you just want to make sure that these are black with the little X's so nothing gets crossed in the process, okay? So what you're going to do is go to your gradebook, and I apologize, it's over to the left, but I didn't want you to see any student names for confidentiality purposes, but you will get to see my lovely missing assignments right now. So you will see that I have graded 4 assignments so far, and I have actually not entered any of these into Skyward yet. So to enter something into Skyward the first time, you come to this Actions button in your Grades tab and click Sync to Skyward Gradebook, and it should pop up a little window. Sorry if my internet's on the slow side today. All right, and now you can see that it has already selected all of these things because I have them labeled as this green check mark of syncing to Skyward. If I didn't want something to sync yet, I could uncheck it. But I'm going to go ahead and click all of these things and just see what it does. So post grades, and you will see that it is now scheduled. You can click to see your progress, and it'll take you to this grade sync link. And now I'm going to slide this guy back over here. This grade sync link is actually over in the left-hand navigation bar. If it's not there for you, it may be because you disabled it and you moved it to the bottom half of what your students can see in your navigation settings. If you move it back up to the top, you will always be able to see it, and students do not have access or view options for this link. So you'll see now that I'm waiting for this grade sync to run. There are 9 steps, and I can see that 7 assignments are going to be passed to the grade book. After you have done this the first time, though, I get a lot of teachers saying, well, how do I do this after I update late work? Or if something was missing and I have now fixed the grades, do I need to go back and do that same process? No, actually, if you come directly to the grade sync link, you can click settings, and there's this really cool remaster grade passback option. If it has a grade on it and you have this green check mark, that little one that I now have covered up over here, and you have grades in the grade book, if you've already sent it to Skyward once, if you click post grades, it will take anything new in your grade book and send it over. But I already have one running, so it told me to wait. But if you had already done one like 2 days ago and you need to update some late work, you would be able to do that now. And look, I'm already on step 5 of 9, and so far I have no errors popping up. If you do see an error pop up in the little status bar here, you should be able to click the notification that pops up, and it tells you what happened, what caused the error. Sometimes they're straightforward. Sometimes I have to Google them. If you're really not sure what the error means or how to fix it, shoot me a message or shoot Mr. Wallace a message, and I will be happy to help you fix whatever's going on. But when you use that Min, Mage, and Exam grade sync option in the weights in your assignments tab over here, it makes it so much easier. And look, I'm going to refresh again, and I'm already on step 8 of 9. So just while I've been talking through this video, I'm already almost done uploading my 4 grades that I did from Canvas into Skyward. And there shouldn't be any delay on the averages calculating. There shouldn't be any delay on something showing up. Even if I did them 5 minutes apart from each other, it should still work. And notice this is switched to 4 assignments. That's because I've only graded 4. 3 of the ones that I have checked to sync to Skyward don't have any grades in. So it's not going to push those to Skyward because there's nothing for me to put in there yet. Okay, so that's really neat because it's already sensing what I need to go into Skyward right now. And I'm going to refresh one more time and it's finished. I have a green check, no red, no errors. And if I go to Skyward right now, I can show you that it did upload correctly. So again, if you have any issues doing this process or using Canvas to upload your grades to Skyward, I am more than happy to help. And we're also having a training after school today to walk you through the process a little slower and in person in case your class is a little different too. It would be really helpful to see what you need help with. And I am happy to help with anything else you need, and so is Mr. Wallace. All right, hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Bye.